Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I have checked into the Bhigwan Bird Sanctuary. But in addition to birds, we are also going to do Bhigwan grasslands. So in this video, I'm going to show you some species I encountered at the grasslands of Bhigwan. I hope you like the photos, guys, and this video is useful to you. Thank you. If you like my video, guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. So guys, if you like my photos and got something useful out of this video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my Bhigwan vlog. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.